Hi there, thank you for visiting the repairs and service page. If you are in the lower mainland and you either have a broken piece of equipment or you just need some annual maintenance, then you have come to the right page. Here you'll find lots of information regarding what we do, but essentially if you have a heating, cooling or hot water piece of equipment, then we can help. So if it is broken down, then we can repair it and help you get it back up and running. Or if you're just looking to get an annual maintenance, then we can also help with that. Lots of manufacturers recommend annual maintenance on all types of residential heating, cooling and hot water equipment. So if you are looking to get booked in, then give us a call, email us, or you can chat with us on our online chat feature. We very much look forward to hearing from you.